We got the rebel friends. A new brand coming here, Golden Power.
Selection.
Oh. Alan sporting the new kit, looking good. Starting off this video where I finished off the last one. Back in the pigsty of my basement because I'm leaving tomorrow and I need to get all my stuff packed up to go. And this time from Belgium, all of our stuff is going directly in the vans to Levy. Batten down the hatches, we're in for the long haul. Precious cargo. These are my race skis from Aspen. These will come out when we're up in Levy training and see how they go against my new race skis that I've saved. We all try and sort of dump the title of most bags on the other person. Right now it's me. You don't want to be coming to the season the guy with the most bags. The pairs and the spares. More bags back here. November's approaching too, so got to try and grow a mustache again. Mullet. Getting married in April, so I need to be careful with what I do with my hair. So I don't think this year is going to be mullet season. So at the moment, I'm just letting it grow and we'll see where we go. Oh no, socks. Ooh. They need a wash. Found these at the bottom of my bag, still slightly damp. Do you want a whiff?
No, please don't.
Almost done. Last thing, as you can see, switching up the helmets this year. You would have seen in the videos and on Instagram. I've sent one helmet away to get printed, but in the meantime, I need my head sponsor labelled up. That looks about right, huh? As you might know, this year they've changed the rules. So now, we can have two head sponsors. One position up front, and the second is sort of an equal area squared here and here. Let me know if there's anyone interested in collaborating. Would be great to have a partner for the season, get a helmet printed up, and then I can send it with you on my helmet this winter. You can reach me at laurietaylorski@gmail.com where we can have a chat. The only thing left to do now is go train and get fast. Back. It's going to be seriously busy this time. Ooh. We got the executive suite. About 6 hours of driving. Just had dinner with the other guys. Billy's actually not coming the start of the week because his back since the end of SASFE has not been so good. So he's going to stay at home, rest up, and hopefully come starting from next weekend. Tomorrow we're on the 10 till 2, first with the Croatians, then with the Polish. It is now 7:30. I'm going to chill out, going to get myself organised, getting back on the ice. First day, it's always an adjustment wherever we go, snow changes. And so tomorrow I'm going to sort of build into that first session because as always, the ice can come as a shock to the system. Catch up with the other guys in the morning. There he is, and he's bang on time. See, the van's full of Billy's boots. Can't really get rid of them. Oh, but there's more there. I only looked in the side. We got the rebel friends. Good morning, Joe.
Hello, Taylor.
Big dog's in. We got a new A new brand coming in here, Golden Power.
Huge selection. Watermelon for the watermelon.
Oh, nice. What have we got? What's this? This classic?
This is classic, I think.
Nice. Start off
Golden
classic,
Power.
an experiment. It's just public indecency day.
Does feel like that.
Day one. Finished. Boots lit. Always intense here, no matter what you do. No escaping it. Day one and my legs are already tired. Once again, a lot of intense turns in the ski sessions. So for the afternoon, we're keeping it easy with recovery and cool. TJ is also there to the rescue with a little extra TLC, keeping on top of any potential niggles and making sure we can perform at our A game. Feeding time at the zoo. USA All-Stars versus the Kingsman. Proper stuff here, Dave, proper.
There's only one outcome.
Oh, what's he got? Look at that.
Boris is coming in with something. Boris looks suspicious.
Got some hot sauces.
Oh,
Oh, Dark Jai will be after that.
woo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful. The All-Stars are in. That's what you got. Bag on, ready to go. Day 3. Instead of 10 o'clock today, we are on the 8 till 12, so slightly early wake up, 7 o'clock departure instead, and I'm in charge of this laptop, which I just remembered. We got 20 bag bill and 20 boot bill. He's got
the tunes and I'll do the
Jesus.
driving.
Key. Here we go.
Green light.
Parallel park time.
Oh, I
The
can't
test
video
begins. Test begins, Dave.
Can't video this.
Under pressure.
I got a minor for this. If we
While
test.
fatigued.
I think, no, we're not fit.
Yeah, we can definitely fit in the one in front.
Struggling to get it in the gap.
So 2 attempts. Got one left.
It's a bit tight at the back.
Well, I'm going to stay out here at once.
Yeah, go on.
Oh, no, you can't.
Pressure. Build it up.
I got a
Build
minor
it
for
up.
this.
Build the pressure. Oh, yeah, he's done it. Come on.
He doesn't feel pressure in Kitzbühel, but he feels pressure. Feels pressure here.
A bit tight.
Oh, you got this.
Tweak it forward a bit.
Don't worry, it's just the German's van.
That is unbelievable tight.
Oh, yeah.
I can't get out. That's
Oh,
too
God.
good.
Too good.
That is why Pendle always beat Wickham.
There's so much room.
There is.
Look at that. What do you mean room? I'm in.
Good morning. Hello,
to the
YouTube
ski
friends.
Good morning.
Welcome to home of the British Bulldogs.
So here we have a first. Growing in the ski room. Some mushrooms. We'll check back on these later in the camp, see how they progress. What it's all about, AJ.
It's tougher.
Mushrooms and ski room.
Oh, precision engineering this, Laurie.
Oh, excellent work. The shoveling work remains the same for the coaches this morning, but for us it was a slow build. Start off with the technical focus, then for the second half of the session we'd ramp it up. Boring chat going on. Really boring chat over there.
Ooh, Swift friends.
Swift friend!
Right on, buddy.
You a Swifty?
Oh, I love cycling, mate.
Shall we go Swifting?
Session 2, Laurie, run 1. We've got a rail on the ski by the looks of it.
I've not had a training session that frustrating in a while. Not every session is going to be amazing because you've got to work on the things you're not good at, and today I struggled. Don't know if you can see it in the corner there. It's my bag from today, still unpacked. A very classic pre-day off move. Back from skiing today, had a coffee and got on with a few tasks I had to do on my computer. And now we have a light lift, keep us topped up. If you've been watching these videos, you'll know this is our regular routine pre-day off. Today was a tough one for me. Technique focused first session. Second session, when we were ramping things up, I could not get it. Couldn't get into the rhythm of the course. Out first run, straddle second run, fall inside third run, and then the snowball continued to build. Seriously frustrating, but I have had plenty of those training sessions before, and I'm sure there'll be plenty more to come in my career. So it's not panic stations, but I'll be checking video later, back to the drawing board and going again after the day off. Fresh start right now, time to get lifting. What he's doing, he's getting sloshed up on Red Bull, watermelon edition. He's going.
This is a weird one. It's Being Zimt. Courtesy of Fisher. Thank you, Fisher.
He's going to lift a lot of weights.
Here we go. Now we're talking.
Here we go. Refreshments. She'll have you, Dave. Oh!
No, we're not kicking.
Why are you running away?
It's because he's scared.
That's limit.
Right, we've got a lot of sorting out going on here. Alan sporting the new kit, looking good.
Red and white.
Absolutely ravishing, Alan. That is our first 3 days in Belgium done. I'm sitting here finishing off the edit now. Billy's back. Yeah, stay tuned for next week, where you'll catch our last few days here in the Dome. 10-day power block. So you've caught the first 3. Next week, I'll be showing you our last few days. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you check out my Patreon page. The link will be in the description, and I'll put a card, clickable link somewhere up here that you can click on. Here you can check out the tiers available and the kind of content that I have been posting so far. So go check that out. See you next week.